Hi, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Cara Face Scrubby pattern. You'll need worsted weight cotton yarn and a 5mm hook. Begin with a slip knot on your hook. Chain 16 or an even number. With this number of chains, our crochet scrubby will be about 4 inches wide. Now turn and work into the second chain from your hook. I'm working into the back bump. Insert your hook under the loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2. This forms our first single crochet. Continue to single crochet across into each chain. Once you have single crocheted across the row, turn your work. Chain 1, this doesn't count as a stitch. Insert your hook under both loops of the first stitch to form a normal single crochet. Then on the next stitch, we will work into the front loop only. Insert your hook under the front loop, single crochet. In the next stitch, we will insert our hook under the back loop only and single crochet. Continue to repeat front loop, then into the back loop, and into the front loop again. You'll end with a front loop before the last stitch. In the last stitch, single crochet under both loops. Turn your work, and now we're going to repeat that one row. Chain 1, single crochet under both loops for the first stitch, front loop in the next, back loop, front loop. You'll always end with a front loop before the last stitch, and then you'll put a single crochet under both loops in the end. From here, it's a simple one row repeat for 12 rows total, and then one row of regular single crochets under both loops to finish it off.